sure my 18 subscribers know that Thailand's the biggest on planet Earth, you know. But I've got some big old chunky 32s on there, mate. See you, mate. Some good old toys to go, mate. Should be spooling up for mate. We have the fuel pump that just cuts off randomly whenever it wants. Like mainly halfway through a skid. So you just cut that out and just it doesn't run anymore. But that's alright. Anyway. And then we've got some really homemade tray with the biggest curve in the world. On the other side, rear some gearbox bolts into some get off the steel underneath, some rails. And I stole my uncle or my cousin's tray, bolted it on there to warm up, mate. Runs good as you, mate. Got the car for a 6-pack of beers. Can't complain. Took the engine out of it, put it in my other car. In this one, now it just kills all my fuel pumps. Other than that, she goes alright. It does rattle, but don't worry about that, mate. The rattles is better than the music, mate. And I replaced the rear diff because I ran it for like 2 months with no oil in it. So I pulled it up one day and it was just clunk, 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 clunk. And yeah, so we'll rip that out and just put I think it's like a 2000 or maybe like a 1998 Ford Courier diff in there, mate. Runs good. I've got I think there's like 10 leaf springs stacked up, maybe like 6 or at least 8. That's how many leaf springs are stacked up underneath there. Got the U-shackle bolts that are like rusty as, man. Got some 40-year-old leaf spring shackles. And we also got the size like 27 or something spare tyre. So when you put it in the back, you can't have the maddest flex of his life. And because we get too much flex, it starts rolling on the galvanised steel. You just see me tyre slowly degrading away on that side, but well, man. Yeah, well. And so this will be a turbo that we're going to try to put on there. It's got a lot of oil in there, but that's alright. It shouldn't hopefully burn all the oil. You know, it should just blow some smoke out the back. It'll be right. You know? So what happens, there's like no play in there unless you like sloop man and start like wiggling that thing around, but I think you're going to have bigger problems than that. It's a good computer board, apparently. So I'll fix the starter. Turbo came in pretty much unscathed, mate. She got a bit of dirt on her. $5,000. No, I'm joking. Man, you mate, got a little bit of blockage. She'd be right, mate. She'd be right. Sorry, man, I didn't do enough damage to the computer board, eh? Where'd the RAM go? This mate, anyone need some 8 GB DDR3? No, 4 GB DDR3? Yeah, you need 4 GB DDR3. There we go. Flexing her up, mate. I'll just disassemble it for you. Requires some assembly during installation. There you go, there's your ram headers, mate. There's your everything, mate. You need a capacitor. You know what, I'm pretty sure there's one on the ground there. Where is it? Oh, there we go. There's something. You need that, mate. No, need something to drop it. Now after all that, we're going to test out these big old 32s, mate. Give her a big old wheel, mate. Spin them right up, mate. Spin them big wheels. Now. They work pretty well, eh? They're pretty much bald, but they work pretty well, mate. These are called the Earth Remover 5000s, mate. Because you're removing some earth.